basically is the result of 25 years of research that started in Liège, in Belgium, following the disruptive vision of Pierre Lebec, who is a sociologist, a musicologist, and a music therapist. And that brought a strong team around him and 60 international experts from different fields to create a humanized algorithm that would not only take into account art science and signal analysis and text retrieval and ICT, but also soft science as psychology, philosophy or musicology offer. And they managed to create this unique solution. Our goal is to create the ultimate music assistant. The answer or the challenge we are meeting is to answer the question, how can the end consumer find its way when facing 50 million tracks, 50 million songs? You have to understand your taste, the personality of the listener, but also his mindset, his social context, and to master all of these elements into an integrated technological solution. The technologies of Musimap are basically emotion sensitive, they are context aware, they are semi-automated, they are self-learning, they are IoT compliant, and they are market ready. So now, after a long process of investing 2.5 million in R&D, discussing and fine-tuning this algorithm, we are able in 2016, after 1.5 years of hard work finalizing the technology, to bring this solution to the market.
Empower your projects with PingTracks, your smart digital assistant.
So I'm running the company, and my team is composed of 11 people now. We are spread between Brussels, Liège and Berlin. We want to have a very European positioning. We are targeting a global solution, and we are internationalizing to reach our target in our roadmap. So it means to be very present at the main events and fair trade in the world. That means Slush in Finland, that means South by Southwest in Austin, USA, but it means also MIDEM, Sonar Plus D, Pioneer 500, Web Today, and all of these great events. I think first, coming from little countries such as Belgium and Switzerland, you might feel a bit uncomfortable in such countries, but you realize that you are bringing another take on things and a very smart positioning sometimes on issues that were tackled differently by the US, for example. So in the case of Musimap, we have developed a very in-depth approach about music, decoding the DNA of music and bringing a very original solution, integrated technological solution to the market. And this is something that the US did not manage to create. So I think there is kind of an exotic feel to us. I think in the US there is this trust on also in the entrepreneur. And if you are credible and you tell your story in the right way, people can trust you and open new doors at eye level. And I think that's very important to consider. The startup should be very careful in the way they choose their financing structure. We did have the chance to have an hybrid between private equity invested by French and Flemish investors and a co-financing coming from semi-public bodies, such as START in Brussels and Meusinvest in Liège with LeanSquare. And that allows us to have flexible partners that are helping us in a real partnership to build our way to the success we are aiming for, and also with dedicated tools. For example, convertible loan could be used at some point. We have worked with Meusinvest and LeanSquare on the press, on the exposure of the company, and we are getting very good results on this side, and we are very happy to have strong partners on our side. So we are very happy to be coming from Liège, to have European origin and European brains on board, And we are trying from Liège, from incubators such as LeanSquare, to bring a global solution to the market in 2016. If we can achieve that and get back to the philanthropical roots of this project, but doing that through the market and through a success story in the market, we would be the most happy of the startup.